Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the Apple keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, we will need to download a third-party app in the Google Play Store. And we're gonna need to search for Green Apple Keyboard. There we go. Now over here we need to select this app, then press install, and now let's wait a couple of seconds in order to download and install the app. And once we are done, we need to simply press this open button. There we go. Now first we will need to set up some permissions. So first we need to enable this keyboard in the settings. Over here, find Green Apple Keyboard and tap on the slider. Press OK. There we go. Now let's go back. We will need to switch input methods. So over here we can switch to English US, but make sure that it says Green Apple Keyboards beneath the language, and then we can press finished. And there we go. We also have some general settings, some information about the app, but we can close the app now. And when we open the keyboard, you will see that we have the Apple keyboard now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.